We're now inside the unit and this is Abraham here. He's recovered already from Pulgas. Now, yung unauthorized dito, si Cutie, ito yung black and white na malaki. No, brother of Abraham on a different batch. And then, of course, the son of the daughter of Abraham and Bakekang, who does not have a defect in the eye. Her eyes niya is okay. Wala na siya defect sa eye. So she's being tolerated as of now. The 4 cats are being tolerated because there's no tae here. Oh. There's no tae. It seems hindi sila nagtatae dito sa loob ng unit. Kasi once tumae sila sa loob ng unit, doon magsa-start ang pulgas. Kasi yung pulgas nanggagaling sa sa tae ng pusa. It's flies. It's flies that bring them and then dumarami yung pulgas dahil yan sa mga tae. But dito lang sila tumatae. So it's easy to clean, di ba? Madali lang siya i-clean. Tapos may isa dito sa CR. Oh. Maybe I should just close the door of the CR, no? Para hindi na ma-confuse. Para yung CR nila dito. Now, if somebody violates that, then out sila. Out. Hindi sila pwedeng mag-stay dito. Kasi this is sensitive area. We cannot afford na magpulgas ito yung unit na to. Oh, sige.